Checking out our new magnetic roller. So this one is pretty handy. This is an aluminum block that's hollow. Inside there's a magnet and you lift up on here that's lifting up a bar magnet. So when you roll over things like these metal wrenches that come with it for assembly, you can see how powerful those magnets are. They're picking these wrenches up a good couple of inches. Now you can adjust on the sides here how deep you want this to be, so essentially how much magnetic force you want. And now when you sweep a job site or a beach or a campsite or something, or if you're done something and you've left a lot of metal behind like nails or screws, you can go sweep all that up magnetically. When you get to a place where you want to dump it, this pulls the magnet up and that gives you enough magnetic force that you can drop this, right, and then move it away, sweep all that up. Pretty handy and super strong magnets. Hope this helps.